Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage product research with Jungle Scout, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing Jungle Scout. Once installed, open the application and create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on the product database option to start your product research. Use filters to narrow down your search based on category, price range, and sales estimates. The more specific your filters, the better your results will be. Review the list of products generated based on your criteria. Analyze product metrics such as sales volume, revenue, and reviews. Look for products that have high demand but low competition. Next, use the Keyword Scout tool to find relevant keywords for your product. Input keywords related to your product idea. This tool will show you search volume and trends for those keywords. Select keywords that have a high search volume but moderate competition. Now, move on to the Opportunity Finder feature. This tool helps identify niches with potential based on various metrics. Explore the suggested niches and analyze their profitability. Once you have some promising product ideas, use the Sales Analytics tool. This will help you track and analyze sales data for those products. Look for trends in sales over time to determine seasonality. Leverage the product tracker to monitor your chosen products over a period. Set alerts for significant changes in price or sales rank. Perform competitive analysis by researching similar products. Identify top competitors and examine their strengths and weaknesses. Finally, compile all gathered data into a product research plan. Make informed decisions about which products to pursue for your business. Continue to refine your research methods as you gain experience. Stay updated with Jungle Scout's new features and resources for ongoing learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.